शाम कपड़े डाल के आ जाओ। Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
This is Pradyush. Your picture has changed.
No,
Good morning.
ma'am.
That the one which you put on the screen, no? I think that has changed.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Rishabh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How is everybody doing?
Good, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Shivans. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, yeah.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Now,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Vyom, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Arushi,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Anukriti.
Ma'am, Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. हाँ जी बेटा, यशिका बोलो बच्चा. Somebody saying something?
Ma'am, what we will do today?
As we have all the three sections here together, so I thought of doing a worksheet with you people. I will share the worksheet on the screen with you all, and you all need to do that in the geography notebooks itself and send me the image on the class groups that you have.
Yes,
Will it
ma'am.
be fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Fine.
Fine. So that way it will be a revision also with you people. And if you people have any doubts after a specific duration of doing that worksheet, we'll discuss as well. Okay. So give me a moment so that I can share my screen with you all.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Was this Taran?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. fine. We have this document opening for you people.
Ma'am, I want to ask one thing.
Yes, Vyom, you can ask.
Like, ma'am, you are not the teacher of civics, no?
What, beta? What, Vyom? Come again.
Ma'am, you said no that you will be now teaching geography and history, not civics. So, ma'am, in civics that we have written or the flowcharts.
Listen,
Ma'am,
listen, Vyom. Whatever work I have given you, that you need to do. Right? You need to do that. Okay?
ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, I have done, ma'am, all the flowcharts, ma'am, but features of democracy that you means gave us to write in first lecture, ma'am, that I have not written, ma'am. Ma'am, I saw your recording, but ma'am, it is not visible.
That was not visible. Can
Yes,
you see
ma'am.
the screen? Can you see the screen that I am sharing with you people?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Just a second. Okay. I am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. 1 minute, बच्चा. 1 minute दो केवल. हाँ. Now you can see the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, बच्चा. Beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. This is the Vyom. What I am saying is whatever work I have given you for civics. Good morning, bache. You continue doing it in your notebook. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, only 7 questions are there.
No. We have some more also.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in civics also we have to also take the states and union territories map, na?
How? In civics also you have to do the same. Okay?
Ma'am,
Okay.
excuse me.
Ma'am, this is second worksheet.
No, this is one worksheet. Geography chapter 1.
Ma'am, we have to answer. Ma'am, we have to only write the answers or the questions also.
Only answers. Question number 1, answer 1. That way. No need to write the questions. I'll be sharing it on the group, class groups also. Shall I share it on the class groups?
Yes, ma'am.
That way.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Sharing it also. Please do it in your notebook and share it with me on the class groups, right? And everyone has to do. Everyone has to.
We have to write
In the geography notebook, you do it as a geography worksheet chapter 1. Okay?
Ma'am, we have to write only one word.
Only one word. Whatever is asked, that way only. But numbering should be correct.
And ma'am, we have to not write the sentences, ma'am, like the easternmost longitude of India is dash.
No
Ma'am,
need, no need to do it, beta. Why to waste time unnecessarily? You know?
Ma'am, we have to do this worksheet in fair copy.
Yes, in the fair notebooks, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Can you please again tell me the maps of geography?
Geography maps. 2
Yes,
maps
ma'am.
you have to do, in which you have to mark the states and the union territories separately. Then there is on page number 4, there is a question, find out in the blue box. All those questions that are asked, 4 questions are asked. 3 questions in one map and 1 question, the last question, in a separate map, right?
Okay.
Right? Then on page number 9 also you have a map which shows the standard meridian, the longitudinal and the latitudinal extent of the country. That map also you have to do in the geography notebook. Then
Okay.
who is doing this? Don't spoil my screen.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
sorry.
Ma'am, in civics, I have not means. Ma'am, I have made the map, but I have not sticked it at the first page,
It
like
is
you
okay,
said.
no problems. Afterwards you draw, afterwards you paste. It is okay, fine.
Ma'am,
Excuse
can
me,
we do the find out maps after the writing the question answers
you can,
in geography?
yes, you can.
Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, beta, Avantika.
Ma'am, only 4 maps we have.
We have 6 maps, beta. 6 maps. 2 maps initially, then 2 maps for the find out. 1 map for page number 9, that standard meridian and the longitude, latitude. Fine. How many done?
Okay, ma'am.
हो गए ना 6 total?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
we have
5. Ma'am,
and
5
5
हुए. Ma'am, there are 5
I
maps.
have 5. Sorry, we have 5 maps only. I have shared the worksheet on the class groups. Please take your time. Don't take much of time. I think 15 minutes are more than sufficient for the worksheet. 17 questions are there.
Yes, ma'am, it is very easy.
Fine. Do it in a neat handwriting.
Ma'am,
Do not rush.
ma'am, you have said that we have to mark on 2 maps. Ma'am, the find out of 4th, ma'am, page number. Ma'am, first 3 questions will be on one map, and last question will be on another map.
Another map. And there is a question of map work in the exercises. 7th and 8th, you have to do in the same map. Find out last wala question, separate map. Park Street, you have to mark. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse you, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the second question.
Yes, Akshay.
Ma'am, there are 2 island group. Ma'am, दोनों लिखने हैं.
देखो, name the island group of India that lies close to the coastline.
Ma'am, close to the coastline, ma'am, there are 2.
Which are closer to the coastline.
Yes, ma'am.
There is one.
No, ma'am.
One is there.
Ma'am, western coast or ma'am, eastern coast?
And ma'am, what is the meaning of frontier?
Frontier. Where is this question?
Ma'am, question number.
लैंड फ्रंटियर,
6.
फ्रंटियर मतलब जो लैंड एरिया है, टोटल लैंड एरिया की लेंथ कितनी है, टोटल कोस्टल लाइन की लेंथ कितनी है, दैट यू हैव टू टेल.
Ma'am, length means north Kashmir to Kanyakumari.
हाँ जी, लैंड.
Ma'am, done with the 7 questions. Please give us the next question.
Okay. Oh no, just a second. एक- एक- 13th question. After you are over with the 13th question, you tell me, I will change. Okay.
Ma'am, nothing is visible.
Why? Okay, wait a
Ma'am,
second.
nothing.
Wait. Now it is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, this we have done, I think.
All questions done?
Ma'am, in earlier classes, ma'am,
That we were
have
discussing
done.
it, but we could not discuss it, no? So now I have given it to you in the written assessment part, right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Aksham, बोलो बेटा.
No, ma'am, nothing I got. Ma'am, I got it.
अच्छा अच्छा.
Ma'am, ma'am,
बच्चे बोलो बेटा.
ma'am, I was saying, ma'am, that in map skills, ma'am, we have to only do the eighth one, no?
Two you have to do. Two you have to do. Let me just get the book. Wait.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा. 7th and 8th. बेटा 7th and 8th you have to do.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ जी. Avantika was saying something. Avantika.
Ma'am, in map skills, how we will do the seventh, ma'am?
Seventh one. The question
Yes,
says
ma'am.
city surrounded by water from three sides. Kanyakumari.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए.
Ma'am, we have to do the seventh and
The eighth one. Seventh and eighth. Park Strait and Kanyakumari.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
ma'am, in the find out question number 4, classify the states into 4 groups, each having common frontiers with Pakistan, China, Myanmar, and Bangladesh. Ma'am, how we will mark this on map?
Are you
Ma'am,
will
like
you will color
Pakistan, China, and Punjab with one color.
you will write Pakistan, right? And then the states that are sharing the land borders. So you color the states and write the names of the states. Like
Okay, ma'am.
for showing the states that share the land borders with Pakistan, you can use one particular color. For Nepal, one particular color. For China, one particular color. For Bangladesh, Myanmar, like different colors for different countries that are sharing borders, right?
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am, what is the answer of fourth? Ma'am,
Answer of fourth. Wait, which neighboring country has the longest land border with India? ये तो आपको बताना है ना बेटा, आपको देखना है ये मैप.
Ma'am, Bangladesh.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, it's China.
Do on your
ma'am,
own.
I think it.
Don't discuss right now. Let everyone.
Ma'am, Pakistan.
हम देख लेंगे बेटा, हम देख लेंगे. ठीक है.
Ma'am, done.
बेटा, all the questions done or till 13th done?
Ma'am, till 13th.
Excuse me, ma'am.
बोलो दिव्यांश.
Ma'am, Assam have a common border with Nepal or not?
Assam has a common border with Nepal. That is
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, let me see. Let me see.
No, ma'am.
No, beta. No. Assam does not have.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can you please share the question answers of this chapter on the group? Actually, yesterday I couldn't attend the class because of network problems.
You can always go through the video that is there, beta. We share the
Oh.
video also, no? Right?
Ma'am, in Telegram.
हाँ जी बेटा.
Excuse me, ma'am.
जी बेटा.
Ma'am, have you discussed the answer of question number 4 of this chapter?
Yes, beta, I think. 9th B students, please tell me whether we have discussed or not. Anokhi, the other day you were asking about the Oriental world, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So you want the definition now also? Shall I tell?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because there are various answers for that, so I don't know which one is the right one.
No, no. Oriental world, when we talk of Oriental world, we are basically talking about the countries included in the Southeast, South and East Asia. That's it.
All
South,
right, ma'am. I'll write that.
right? Okay.
Ma'am, now can we discuss the answers?
I'll let everyone finish, beta.
Ma'am, but I don't think we've discussed the fourth question's answer. Because I think the class had gotten over.
I think one day when you were not there in that class, no, I was asking about you. I think before vacations. Monday, I believe.
Then I'll ask someone, ma'am.
No, no, it's okay. I will discuss it again. No issues, beta. No issues. But I think we have discussed. Let me ask.
All right, ma'am.
Who was there in that day? Yes,
Maybe you will give us one whole worksheet today.
No, no.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is this IST?
Indian Standard Time.
Indian Standard Time.
Indian Standard Time.
IST equal to Indian Standard.
Everything is given in the chapter, you know. This worksheet is exclusively from the chapter, between the chapter, the lines that are there.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, but
Ma'am,
one
can you-
question is not there.
Which question?
Ma'am, question number 13. Which two gulfs are located along the Gujarat coast?
ये नहीं होगा, आप सही कह रहे हो, ये वाला नहीं होगा. और ये
So you have taken this worksheet from somewhere.
because it is a general question. We know, we have read in earlier classes about this. No, that is why I gave this. Right?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can you tell the date on which you have discussed the question number 1 and 2?
I think students will help me in telling this. 9C. When did we discuss the question answers?
Ma'am, yesterday.
Yesterday only.
No, ma'am, 1 and 2
Ma'am,
question.
half of them we
1 and
First
2.
and
discussed
second.
yesterday.
1 and 2 was done, I think, in the last class that we had before the holidays.
Ma'am,
Yes.
back
Okay,
question.
ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, question number 25, we have to give the measure of the latitude.
What? What?
Ma'am, in question number 25, we
Wait.
have to give the
Someone is
name
playing
or the
song.
measure.
नहीं बेटा, वो मुझसे गलती से वो पीपीटी आई वाज ओपनिंग. हाँ, बताओ.
Ma'am, question number 25,
Hmm.
we have to give the measure of the latitude or the name.
Question number
25.
25. Which important latitude divide India in about 2 equal parts? This. You have to name the latitude.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, question number 27, what is the meaning of second part?
What is the meaning of second part? Question number 27. Question number 27 only, no? Saksham? Beta Saksham? Saksham?
Yes, ma'am, 27.
27 का second part हम ये बता रहे हैं. The first part is asking you 2 neighboring countries of India which do not share land borders. हो गया. Second is mention the geographical feature that separates them from India. That map work wala thing, no? 8th one that you are supposed to write here.
Ma'am, how many features?
Only 2 geographical features are there. One for Sri Lanka and one for Maldives.
Ma'am, Maldives is separated from India by
By the
Arabian
island
Sea.
groups, by the island groups that we have, no? Lakshadweep Islands.
Okay.
All have done?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, those who have done, they can share their PDFs or the images on the class groups.
Ma'am, I am about to complete.
Okay, okay, no problems. ऑफ कर दो.